Hi, this is my narrated video for Portfolio 3 Multiple Regression Models. I'm going to conduct a hierarchical regression using the Coldwell dataset, and the research question that I'm going to be answering at the end of the video is household chaos predictive of children's problem behavior over and above parenting. So in order to conduct the hierarchical multiple regression, we're going to go to Analyze, Regression, Linear. So for block 1, the dependent variable is going to be mom and dad, adjustment scores, and then we're going to put age and gender in this box. For block 2, we're going to include the BPI scores for mom warmth and anger, as well as the mom relationships with the child, the positive and negative. For block 3, we're going to put chaos in this box. For plots, we're going to put Z residuals on the y-axis, and then Z predictor on the x, and that's for scatter 1. For scatter 2, we're going to put dependent on the y-axis, and then adjusted predictor on the x-axis, and then click continue. For statistics, we're going to click estimates, model fit, R-squared change, and then the Durbin-Watson for residuals. Click continue, and then click OK. So these are our results. So we have 3 models. As you can see, model 3 is the only one that's significant. So if we go to the coefficients table and look at model 3, we can see that the only significant predictor of child behavior problems was chaos, and that had a t-score of 2.09 at a significance level of 0.039. Alright, so to answer the questions from the multiple regression handout, how much variance does the model explain? The adjusted R-square equals 0.039, which we can see here in the model summary. Which variables significantly predict child behavioral problems? As we saw earlier, household chaos was the only significant predictor. What is the regression equation for the final model? Here is that right there. Are the residuals as you would expect for a good model? Yes. Is there evidence of normality of errors? Yes. And then the research question to answer is household chaos predictive of children's problem behavior over and above parenting? Yes, it was the only significant predictor of children's behavioral problems. And that was with a t-score of 2.09 and a significance level of 0.04, which and the household chaos predictor also accounted for 4.4% of the variance. Here are my results for the hierarchical multiple linear regression. As you can see, again, I mentioned the model 3, which was significant, and that household chaos was the only significant predictor, and I included the final regression equation. And here is my figure showing the hierarchical multiple linear regression of household chaos on child behavior problem.